Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna review this liquid lips from the brand Lime Crime. I got 4 shades and these are for 1900 rupees and I got it from Nykaa. And the shades I have picked up is Shroom, the second one is Rustic, and the third one is New Americana, and the fourth one is Sparrow. So I was really excited to buy this brand because I heard a lot about this brand and somehow I was not getting this lipsticks, and when I saw them on Nykaa I just thought of picking this 4 shades. And I really like the packaging of the lipstick. It comes in a transparent plastic packaging like this with the cap like this, and the applicator is pretty nice. This is how the applicator looks. I really like the overall packaging, and the outer packaging comes like this. It comes in a red cardboard packaging like this. Pretty cute packaging with flowers on it, and I really like the packaging. And yeah, so I'm gonna swatch all the lipsticks on my hand as well as on my lips, and then I'm gonna talk how this lipstick is and whether you should buy this lipstick or not. So let's start with the swatches first. Okay, the first shade I'm wearing is Sparrow, and this is a beautiful orange lipstick. I really like the color, and this is like a proper orange matte lipstick, and I really like this color, and I think this color will suit on all skin tones. If you're looking something proper orange color, this is a perfect orange lipstick, and I really like the lipstick. And yeah, so this is a pretty beautiful color, Sparrow, and this color will suit all skin tones. And I'll also show you the hand swatch. The consistency is pretty light and you don't need to take too much of the quantity. 1 or 2 swipe is enough. You can see the color. It's a beautiful orange color. It dries off within a minute or two, and this is how it looks on my lips. So if you have pigmented lips, then it might look little lighter, but you can put some concealer and then apply this lipstick, and this will give you a proper orange color. I really like the color. It's beautiful orange color. If you like orange color, you should definitely give this color a try. Sparrow. Next shade I'm wearing is Shroom. This is a beautiful nude lipstick. I really like this lipstick. It's pretty light, and I really like the color, and I think this color will suit fair to medium skin tone. And this is how it looks like on my hand. You can see the second shade is Shroom. It looks a little dark on the hand, but on the lips it looks like this. It looks pretty like my lip color, and it's pretty light on the lips. I really like the formula of the lipstick. I'm gonna talk about the formula and other things about the lipstick after I'm done swatching the lipstick. So this is Shroom, and it's a beautiful nude lipstick. Okay, the next shade I'm wearing is Rustic. This is a beautiful pink lipstick, light pink lipstick, and I really like the color. And I think this color will suit all skin tones, especially fair to medium skin tones. And this is how the hand swatch looks like. Just take a bit, and this is how it looks like. It's a beautiful pink color, light pink color, not very light, but yeah, it doesn't come in a dark category, but it's a beautiful pink color. I really like the color, and I already have this kind of color from other brand, but yeah, so I bought this Rustic, and this is how it looks, and this is how the hand swatch looks. This is Rustic. Okay, this is the last shade, and the shade is New Americana. This is a beautiful dark red lipstick. I really like dark lipsticks, and I really love this color, and I think this color will suit all skin tones. So this is how the color looks like on my hand. This is how it looks. See, it's a beautiful dark red lipstick, and I think this shade will look beautiful on all skin tones, and I really like this shade. This is New Americana. Okay, so these were the 4 colors which I have: Sparrow, Shroom, Rustic, and New Americana. So let me talk about the lipstick now. So it comes in a cardboard packaging like this, and the price is 1900 rupees, and the quantity you're getting is 2.5 ml. And so what I like about this lipstick is that I don't feel anything on my lips. It's pretty light on the lips. It gets dries within 1 or 2 minutes, and I don't feel pretty light on the lips. I don't feel anything heavy on my lips like other liquid matte lipstick. This is pretty light on the lips, and the staying power is good. It stays for good 5 to 7 hours. If you're eating or something, then it might fade a bit, but that is fine. But otherwise, it doesn't smudge or something. It is there on my lips for 5 to 7 hours. It stays on my lips for 5 to 7 hours, and I really like the formula of the pretty light. The consistency is pretty light. It's not thick or something. It's pretty runny, and you just need 1 or 2 swipe and you're done. And yeah, so overall I really like the lipsticks in terms of the consistency, in terms of the shades, in terms of the staying power, and it doesn't smudge, it doesn't transfer, which is really good. So when I think about 1900 rupees for this kind of colors, I feel it's a big money, because you get such kind of shades in other brands like Sugar or Maybelline or Lakme and other brands. So I think it's 1900 is a big money for this kind of shades, and I might not buy again this brand. I might not buy other shades from this brand, because now I have seen these are like almost like normal lipstick, except that these are pretty light on the lips, which is okay. And apart from that, I don't find anything special about this lipstick that we should buy or something. If you ask me honestly, if you are really okay with spending 99 rupees, then you definitely buy. If you are a little skeptical that whether I should buy or not, then I think you should not, because in 1900 rupees you can get 2 to 3 lipsticks under 500 or 600 from other brands, and I think it's just big money for this kind of lipsticks. And yeah, so I might not buy again any other shade from this brand, especially from this particular range. These are good, definitely good. I'm not saying it's not good, it's pretty good, and staying power is good. It's pretty light on the lips, and I really like the colors, but I don't want to buy it again. 1900 rupees is pretty big money, and you get the same kind of shades in other brands, so I might not buy the shades, any other shades from this range of Lime Crime. Otherwise, if you're okay to spend 1900 rupees for 2.5 ml, you can go ahead and buy it. Beautiful colors, staying power is good, light on the lips, and it doesn't transfer or smudges or something, so pretty good in that way. Otherwise, big money. So yeah, so I hope you like the review of this Lime Crime lipstick, liquid matte lipsticks, and these were the 4 shades I swatched and reviewed. I hope you like the review. If you like the review, don't forget to give a like and share with your friend and family. I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care. Bye.